Hello guys, magandang araw sa inyong lahat. For today's video, mayroon na naman akong ipakita sa inyo guys na ibang barko. Ayan guys, nakita nyo yung barko na yan guys, yung nagsisiling na mabagal. Yan, mayroong naghihila sa kanila guys na tugboat. Yan, medyo hindi gano'n siya makita guys, lalo na yung pangalan niya kasi masilaw guys sa araw. Yan, kasi 10 AM na ng umaga, parang yung panahon parang makulimlim. Yan guys, kunan din natin ang pangalan yan guys para malagyan din natin ng ship details. Ayan guys, maya guys pag mabasa ko na yung pangalan, malagay ko na dyan sa screen yung ship details nya. Ayan, yung malayo pa sila guys, dadaan naman yan sila guys sa may na area namin, yung pinagtambayan namin. Guys, kita nyo araw guys, yung sunrise. Yan, yeah, guys, masilaw, hindi makita yung pangalan niya. Yan, yan. Pero container ship to siya guys. Yan, container ship. Kung katapat na yan sila sa amin guys, mabasa ko na yung pangalan niya. Mabagal yan sila guys, kaya papasok sila ng lock. Ayan, inaasisan lang kasi sila yan ng tugboat guys, hinihila. Ayan, malapit ko na mabasa yung pangalan niya guys kasi masilaw, hindi ko gaano mabasa. Ayan guys, medyo na klaro na yung pangalan niya. CMA CGM Constancia. Yan pala yung pangalan niya kay yan, Constancia. Yan. So makalagay na tayo ng ship description. Yan. Okay guys, keep on watching. Tingnan lang ninyo dyan sa screen guys, maya maya mayroon na yung ship description na ilagay ko. Okay guys, keep on watching. Bye.
CMA CGM Constanza is a container ship that built in 2010 and is sailing under the flag of Malta, her carrying capacity is 4,250 TEU and her current draft is reported to be 11.5 meters. Her length overall LOA is 261.09 meters and her width is 32.3 meters. Thank you for watching.